Hello, in this video, I'm gonna tell you why are you not getting group messages on iPhone? So there are several reasons why you may not be getting group messages, and there's a high chance that that group may be a mix of iPhone users and Android users. For some reason, like sometimes it may not work properly. But before we get to that, try first doing some other steps, like for example closing the app by sliding up and holding, then sliding that app up, then restarting your iPhone by pressing and holding on power and either of the volume buttons. Now slide to power off and wait until the phone gets fully off. It may take up to half a minute that you need to wait, and after that wait, start pressing and holding on the power button until you see the Apple logo. I think I waited for too short, so I'm gonna release the button and wait a moment longer. Let's try now again. Yeah, you can see there's the Apple logo. Also, make sure to be updated to the latest version of iOS. If your iOS is not at the latest version, then there's a high chance that something may not be working properly, especially if other members of the group chat have a newer version of iOS than you do. So go to settings. I'm going to enter my SIM pin because I have a SIM pin. Then go to, hold on a second, I'm going to turn the brightness a little down. Now you should try going to the general, then software update, and see if there is any update available. If there is, try updating it. Now you can also go to the messages app, and if you were receiving messages but not as a group, rather just from separate people, even though they were added to a group, you may want to delete that conversation, then create the group yourself again by clicking on the button with the pencil in a square, and now adding all the members up here at the top. I'm gonna do it. Now let's text them and see if it works. If it didn't work, try doing a separate group for iPhone users only and a separate group for Android users, just to test it if it works properly. Now that's how it basically works, but you may still have a problem with it, and the problem will appear when the Android users you're texting to are using SMS standard instead of RCS standard. RCS standard is a new communication standard that replaces SMS and has the functionality of group messages. But sometimes some users may either be in a region where RCS is not supported or may have it not enabled. And in that case, or their carrier is just not supporting it. In that case, the messages will appear as separate, not as group messages. And I hope I could help you with it. Just text your friends or family members to enable RCS, and that should help. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video, and I'll see you in the next one.